Let me share with you this 100% free method on how you can find 6-figure winning Shopify products that you can start dropshipping today. What's poppin', people? It's your boy the Beast of Ecom, and I am back with another video dropping something but you already know, value bombs. So in today's video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you this 100% free method on how you can find 6-figure winning Shopify products that you can start dropshipping right today. Now, I've been using this method over the weekend when I realized that Facebook made some slight changes to something that I'm going to show you in a moment in time, and I've been able to find some winning products that I'm definitely going to be testing out on my stores this week. At the time of recording this video, this method is still 100% working. However, Facebook always make changes, so I'm not entirely sure how long this method is going to be available. So if you are watching this video and it's on time and it's still working, then congrats. Make sure you watch all of this video and make sure you implement. You guys know I like to put out actionable content that you can implement into your dropshipping stores, into your Shopify stores to get results. I don't like to drop a lot of fluff on this channel. So if you could do just 2 things for me. First and foremost, if you could drop a like on this video, helps out the channel, helps the video grow. And second of all, if you could drop a comment down below with any questions that you may have, I will be replying to as many as I possibly can. Finally, if you are new here and not a subscriber, then make sure, of course, you do smash that subscribe button with the notification bell on. I drop weekly videos showing you how you can make more money with your Shopify dropshipping stores, e-commerce, Facebook ads, and all of that good stuff. So let me show you what this method is and how it works. And also I'm going to show you how you can obviously use this to spy on your competitors, again, to find winning dropshipping products. So at the time of recording this video, like I've mentioned, it is still working. This free product research method is working. I'm not entirely sure how long Facebook will keep it this way, but it's still working. So make sure you check it out so you can find your winning dropshipping products. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you go to ads library, okay? And the link for that is, I'll drop it down below, but basically it's www.facebook.com/ads/library. Now, this feature was available previously, probably about 2 years ago. They took it away, but now it seems to be back, which is fantastically, and I only really noticed it over the weekend. So once you're here on ads library, what you want to do, obviously, it will default to whatever country you're in. I'm obviously in the United Kingdom, but I'm going to put this as United States, right? And once you've clicked that, okay, you want to click on your ad category, and we want to click all ads. Right now, once we've done that, we can see something here that says search by keyword or advertiser. Now, previously it used to just be advertiser and you could only really search by pages. Again, this method used to work, but Facebook took it away, but now it's back. So what you want to do is you can search by keyword. We can search by niche if we wanted to. We can search by a specific product word. Okay, so let me just show you, for example, we can put in something such as, everyone really puts in, get yours here, so a lot of people kind of use that when they're doing their ads, and we'll see what pops up when we search, when we run this search. Okay, so let me just hit get yours here. Now, what you have to do, okay, is once it's loaded, is you want to make sure that you scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now, to do that, you can just hold the space bar, or again, yeah, if you're on a Mac or anything like that, you can scroll down just so that it loads more and more pages. Okay, the more pages that it loads, the better, because then you're gonna have more ads for you to be able to search through. So I'm just gonna wait for this to go down. Let's do 3, 2, 1. Let's see what we've got after this last load. Okay, so scroll back up to the top. Okay, now what happens with this method is we cannot see what other people, so with the advert itself, okay, we can't see things such as the social proof or anything like that. So you are still going to have a little bit of an eye to know what's kind of winning, or something that fits your niche, or something that you may want to test out. Okay, now here you can see how many ads that this creative is using. So you can see that this creative here, again, these wigs, I wouldn't recommend you drop shipping wigs, but hey, if it works for you, whatever, right? We can see here that this creative is being used in 37 ads, sorry. Now, the more ads that is being used So the more ads that are using a specific creative, we can assume that that creative is winning for that advertiser, right? Because they wouldn't have so many ads running to the exact same creative if it wasn't winning. You can see here, this hasn't got any, it doesn't say anything, you know, so it's only just that one ad. Again, they're only just running that one ad. This has got 4, etc., etc. So once you've got these all loaded, we want to try and find ads with a lot of ads. So what I like to do is just hit Control F. Okay, now I'm on Firefox, unfortunately, still again, and you just want to put in, you know, ads use, okay, and it's highlighting all of these here. So what we can then do is just literally just tab down, okay, and see which are the best ones that are using a lot of ads. So we've got 4, 3, and again, not all of these adverts here are going to be winning dropshipping products. Not all of these are going to be drop shippers. So this one here straight away just caught my eye. We can see here we've got roused hair, and they're selling a dropshipping product. I'll be honest, I've sold this product probably in 2017. I think it's a hair brush that essentially I think it's like ionic or something like that, whereby it kind of tames frizzy hair. Again, I sold this product probably like, yeah, three years ago or so, but we can see they're running basically 102 ads to these 2 creatives, right? So what I like to do first and foremost is, of course, now if you hover over it, what you can do is you can go to the page, but you'll lose your search. So what I like to do obviously is open it up in a new tab, okay? So we'll wait for that to load up, and of course what we want to do as well is we want to go to the website, see what it's like, see if we can approve upon it, etc. What we also want to do, okay, and again, this is just a little flaw with Facebook. I noticed this the other day. So when I look at this here, also the content page is broken for some reason. They've probably been taken down or something along those lines. Yeah, so again, they've probably been taken down or DCMA'd or something like that. So again, you could potentially look into this, but just know that you can't use these creatives essentially, right? You're gonna have to film your own creatives. But going off this as an example, let's say for example they have many ads running from this product. We would then go and try and find this product, okay, on AliExpress. So again, I believe it's an ionic hair. Let me just ionic hairbrush. Yeah, I thought so. So we do ionic hairbrush, and again we can sort by orders, and it's something similar to this product here. Again, $8. They were selling it for about $30, I believe. Yeah, $30. I'm not sure if they're adding on shipping or anything like that, but yeah. So the second step of what we would do is we would also go to their page and see how many ads they are running for a particular product. So let's just see if we can find another one really quickly just to show you if we can. So 2 ads, 3 ads, 2 ads, 2. What else have we got on here? Again, like I mentioned, not all of these. Okay, that one had 11. No, I have no idea what that bra is there. We've got 6, so we've got 32 ads. Again, so this one here, again, it's an old product. I personally wouldn't sell this product because it's super old. But I just want to demonstrate what I would do, okay? So first and foremost, we would copy this here, okay? And like I mentioned, if you hover over it, you could click on view ads, but then you're going to lose this current search, which is a bit annoying. So we would open up it in a new tab. We would scroll down. We would go to page transparency, see all, and we would click on go to ads library. So we can see that this page is currently running ads, right? And again, this product research method is 100% free. You can find winning dropshipping products using this method. We can see here that they're running 39 results, but it defaults to United Kingdom at the top, right? So they are potentially running more. Now, the more ads that a page is running, again, like I've mentioned, if they're running more ads, then 9 times out of 10, they are either scaling or they are doing heavy testing, but basically they are, in essence, making some sort of money to be able to spend it on Facebook. Not obviously all of the time is that true, but that's an assumption that we have to make. And again, we don't know any of the what's the word I'm looking for, the social proof or anything like that, unless we use AdSpy or anything like that. But let me just show you how this works. So we default to this, so we want to make sure that we go to all, okay, and once that's, did I click that? So click on all, and we have to select our category again, so all ads. And then we have to copy and paste the name of this page. Okay, so there we go. And we'll see if they're running any more ads across the world. So again, they're not, but we can see here, again, this is what you want to do to see if they are running more ads essentially. So we can see here that they're running this advert, and we can see that basically they are using their retargeting. So this has been running since March, and if a company or if a page has retargeting ads up and running along with their cold top of the funnel main advert, which again this is, we can assume again that this is a product that is winning for these guys, okay? Because again, they're running top of the funnel cold audiences, they're driving traffic, and also they've got enough money or spent enough money to have to build out their middle of funnel and their bottom of funnel to offer people retargeting. Okay, so like I mentioned, that's another kind of a validity point. Yeah, like another point to cross off to say, okay, yes, this is something that we could potentially look into. And again, we would just head to AliExpress, see if we can find something similar to this, better. And of course, we would approve upon this. We would approve upon their page as well. And overall just do a better job of what these guys are doing. Okay, so again, 100% free method to find winning products. Okay, like I mentioned, not entirely sure how long Facebook will keep this keyword in here, and you can put again your niche in here. We could search for cats, we could search for dogs, all sorts of keywords in there, but test it out and let me know the results that you guys get with it. So hopefully you got some value from this video. Again, I'm not entirely sure how long things will stay this way, so if you are watching this video and it's still available, test out this free product research method to find your next winning products. If you did enjoy, then make sure of course you do help out the channel and smash a like on the video. Drop a comment down below. I will be replying to as many of those as I possibly can. So if you do want to win access to my product research course, then all you got to do is make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure of course you like this video, and thirdly, make sure of course you drop a comment down below with what your biggest goals are for 2021. Every single comment can be an extra entry, okay, providing that the comments themselves are different. So like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a comment down below with what your goals are. Hit me up on Instagram, drop me a like, drop me a DM, drop me a comment, and we can try and connect on there. If you haven't yet got a copy of my 100% dropshipping ebook, then make sure of course you go check it out. The link for that will be down below, and again, that is 100% free as well. But that is it for this video. Hope it helps you out. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah.